Well, I don't know what you guys will be able to see in here, but down from the barn, I come out to check on the barn. But we must have had some microbursts come through last night. I know it was really windy, but yeah, that's a pretty. I guess that tree is pretty rotted there. I think that's oak tree. That's a fairly decent looking tree. You guys won't be able to see, but the neighbor's tree over there in their front yard's knocked over. And there's a top knocked out of the tree in the bottom down there. Sticks and kinds of crap down there. Let me see if I can kind of zoom in here. Yeah, not really. I'll have to get a little closer, but yeah, their little trees blew over. I gotta see what that white thing is over there. That's where I'm headed. So, just picking up the pieces. I'll do some video when there's better daylight. Also knocked that wheel horse snowplow I had up by the tank garages over last night too. Alright, I'm gonna walk down here and see what this white thing is. And I'll get back to you guys later. It's still windy yet too. So I'm on my way over here to check out this white piece of panel or sign or something laying over there, but I don't really know what to say here. Anybody need some firewood? Knock the top out of that tree. Knock the top knock the limb off that. I think that's a maple there. Either a maple or oak. It had to be a microburst. I mean, wow. Wow. I mean, right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. I even got the little tree by my puddle there. Down there. Well, I might as well wander over here. Might as well get my saw fired up. Oh, this is the for sale sign off that lot over there. Yeah, I won't show you guys the number. That's the for sale sign off the lot across the road. Where the heck did that branch come from? You'd think it'd come out of that tree. Well, yes it did. Amazing, all my temporary made it. Wow. Well, another day in paradise, as they say. Yeah, alright guys. See everybody later. Okay, I better get some video of this before I get started here. See if I can zoom in on the neighbors there. Yep, excuse the spots inside the lens, which I can't clean because this camera is sealed. Took it apart and tried their trampolines up against the pine trees. Probably better to walk around the other side of the house, but you know. Need my saw, need my high lift. But I haven't touched nothing back here yet. You can see that snowblade was standing up when I went to bed last night, and a person didn't move it. So we must have had a strong microburst move through with all the trees and everything I showed you guys already. And my ladder is knocked over here in front of my door. I showed you guys down there already. Just made a big walking circle pretty much. Oh well, I get this picked up and get my saw fired up and get that tree cut so we can get out of here.